Since its inception in 2008, the Indian Premier League (IPL) has undergone a remarkable transformation, creating a new era in cricket. Launched by the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI), it introduced a franchise-based 2020 format that fused sport with entertainment, captivating fans across the nation. The inaugural season set the stage for a thrilling shift in the cricket landscape, as the prospect of teams bidding for players in an auction added a layer of excitement unlike any other. As the first matches unfolded, the IPL quickly ascended to extraordinary popularity. It attracted an array of international cricketing legends, and a fervent fan base emerged, eager to witness their favorite players compete in high-stakes matches. This unique blend of fast-paced cricket, enthralling performances, and celebrity involvement turned the league into a captivating spectacle, effectively revolutionizing how the sport was perceived. The financial success that followed was nothing short of phenomenal, with the IPL's brand value and revenue soaring to new heights. Over the years, the IPL has witnessed key developments that further propelled its growth. Team expansion has seen the league fluctuate in its number of franchises, with recent seasons welcoming 10 teams to the field. This alteration was accompanied by shifts in competitive formats, allowing teams to showcase their skill against an increased number of rivals, making each season more unpredictable and engaging. Moreover, technological advancements like video analysis and advanced analytics have enhanced both player performance assessments and viewer experiences, cementing the league's progressive reputation. In terms of global influence, the IPL's success has ignited the creation of T20 leagues around the globe, inspiring cricketing nations to adopt a similar model. The league's economic impact on India's sports sector cannot be understated. It has become a colossal financial force, generating substantial revenue through broadcasting rights, sponsorships, and ticket sales. This financial boon has shaped the future of cricket in India, fostering talent and providing numerous opportunities for players and stakeholders alike. The IPL has also spearheaded digital broadcasting innovations, offering live streaming on platforms like JioCinema and previously YouTube, thus expanding its reach to a global audience. In essence, the evolution of the IPL is a compelling narrative of innovation, entertainment, and financial prowess, transforming cricket into a vibrant and universal spectacle that continues to thrive in the limelight.